Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video I'll be teaching first sum of exercise 1.1 of chapter Integers of standard 7th. Okay, let's see what the question tells. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Particular day means it is for only one day. Okay, this is the number line they have given. In question number 8 they are telling, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Okay, we have to write the temperature of these places which are marked. Fine. First, let me tell you, number line we have to start from 0. Right side of the number line it will have all the positive integers, and on the left side of the number line it will have all the negative integers. Since they have not completed this number line here, let me complete and take it first. Okay, starting from the right side, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is given. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is given. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is given. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 is given. 21, 22, 23, 24 and then 25 is given. Now on the left hand side I told you it will have all the negative integers. Okay, so starting with -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 is given, -6, -7, -8, -9 and then -10 is given. Okay, so first temperature of Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti, where is Lahul Spiti? They have told you. See, it's on -8, correct? Lahul Spiti they have indicated for -8. So the temperature of Lahul Spiti becomes -8 degree Celsius. You have to write this degree Celsius, okay? Otherwise it doesn't give any meaning. Temperature should always be mentioned in the degree Celsius. Next, temperature of Srinagar. For Srinagar what they have given here, Srinagar is indicated to -2. Right, -2. So the temperature of Srinagar becomes -2 degree Celsius. Next, temperature of Shimla. Shimla, where they have marked for 5. That means temperature of Shimla is 5 degrees Celsius. So it's on the right hand side, correct? So you can just mention if you want it is +5. Otherwise it's understood it's just 5 means it is +5. Temperature of Ooty. What's the temperature of Ooty here? Ooty it's for 14. Okay, you can either write +14 degrees Celsius or simply you can write 14 degrees Celsius. If there is no sign means that is understood it is plus. Okay, next, temperature of Bangalore. Here is Bangalore, they have marked it for 22, right? Bangalore they have marked for 22. So the temperature of Bangalore becomes 22 degree Celsius. If you want you can write +22 degrees Celsius. Otherwise simply 22 degrees Celsius. Next, in question number D what they have given, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? Okay, so first we have to know the temperature of hottest place and next we have to know the temperature of coldest place. Which is the hottest place here? It's obviously Bangalore because it was 22 degrees Celsius, right? So hottest temperature was 22 degrees Celsius, that is Bangalore. Next, temperature of the coldest place. Now, is it Srinagar or is it Lahul Spiti? Which one do you think is the coldest? Is it -2 or is it -8? See, remember for negative numbers, if I write something like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Okay, so the smallest number here with negative integer will be having the highest value and the number which is bigger with negative sign will have low value. It's just the reverse. Okay, if I write normal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, highest value will be given to 5 and lowest value will be given to 1. Whereas if the numbers are having negative sign, -1 will have the greatest value and -5 will have the lowest value. Okay, it's just the reverse. Okay, so here since it is -8 for Lahul Spiti, that means this temperature will be the lowest temperature, not -2. Okay, -2 will not be the lowest temperature. -8 will be the lowest temperature. Okay, so the coldest temperature will be here -8 degrees Celsius, that is of Lahul Spiti. Now what they have asked you to do temperature difference. Difference means you have to do subtraction, right? So for doing subtraction, first we'll write the greater number here, 22. Okay, then they've asked you to do difference, so I'll write minus. Next, the temperature of Lahul Spiti is how much? -8. Now since there are 2 minus here, let me put this in the bracket. Okay, now this 22 I'll write as it is, because first we have to solve brackets, correct? I have told you in my previous video, first we have to solve brackets. So inside the bracket it is minus sign, outside the bracket also it is minus sign. Since the signs are same, you have to do in the answer positive sign you have to put. Okay, since the signs are same, you have to put here positive sign in the answer. Next, what will you multiply? Here outside the bracket there is no number. So in my previous video I had shown you all the rules. If there is no number outside, then you have to assume the number to be 1. Now multiply. 1 8 is how much? It is 8. So 22 plus 8, what's the answer? It is 30 degrees Celsius is the temperature difference. Next, in the C question what they are telling, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Okay, so first let me write the temperature of Lahul Spiti. It's -8 degrees Celsius. Okay, next the temperature of Srinagar is how much? It is -2. So -2 degree Celsius. Next they have asked you to do temperature difference. Temperature difference. Difference means you have to do subtraction. So for doing subtraction, first you have to write the greater number. Okay, so which is the greater number here? -8 is greater or -2 is greater? I have shown you in the question number B also. Let me tell you once again. See, the smaller number with negative value, okay, smaller number is 1, but with a negative value will have a greater value actually. Okay, and a number with negative value, if it is bigger also, it will have smaller value. Okay, reverse case if I take +1 and +5, which is greater here? +5 is greater, whereas +1 becomes smaller. But if the numbers are having minus sign, then -1 becomes greater and -5 becomes smaller. See the difference there. If the numbers are having minus sign, then what is the difference? Okay, that means here -2 is the greater number, correct? -2 is the greater number, so I'll write -2 first. Okay, next they have asked you to do difference, so I'll put a minus sign. Okay, then what's the temperature of Lahul Spiti? It is -8. Since I'm getting 2 minus signs here continuously, let me put this in a bracket. Fine. Now -2 I'll write as it is. Let us solve the bracket first. Okay, inside the bracket it is minus, outside the bracket also it is minus. Since both the signs are same, in the answer you have to write positive sign. Okay, next, outside the bracket there is no number, so let us assume the number to be 1. Multiply. 1 8 is how much? 1 8 is 8. Okay, now one sign is negative, one sign is positive. Since both the signs are different, in the answer you have to do subtraction. Okay, 8 minus 2, what's the answer? 8 minus 2 is 6. And give the sign of greater number. Greater number is 8. It is having plus sign, so it becomes +6 degrees Celsius is the difference. Okay, next, in question number D, what they are telling, can we say that temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So what they are asked here, Srinagar and Shimla taken together, temperatures of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. So let us find the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together first. Together means what? Together means you have to do addition, correct? So temperatures of Srinagar and temperature of Shimla, will add them. Okay, what's the temperature of Srinagar here? -2. Okay, put addition symbol because they have asked you to do taken together, means they have asked you to do addition. Okay, next, what's the temperature of Shimla? Temperature of Shimla is 5. So plus 5. Minus 2 plus 5. Both the signs are different. So in the answer you have to do subtraction. 5 minus 2, it is 3, and give the sign of greater number. So plus 3 degrees Celsius is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. This is the answer. Okay. What they have asked you next, is this less than the temperature at Shimla? Okay. This is the temperature taken together. Now let us write the temperature at Shimla first. What's the temperature at Shimla? It is 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, 5 degrees Celsius. Now tell me which is less here, plus 3 degrees Celsius or plus 5 degrees Celsius? So obviously it is Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less, whereas the temperature of Shimla is higher. Okay, so what they have asked, can we say that temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? So yes, it is less, right? Srinagar and Shimla taken together, this temperature is less, correct? So you have to write there, yes. So you have to write, yes, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla alone. Okay, next what they have asked, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Okay, so first let us write the temperature of Srinagar here. Srinagar's temperature is minus 2 degree Celsius. So now they have asked to compare the together temperature of Srinagar and Shimla and the temperature of Srinagar. Now tell me which is less here, plus 3 or minus 2 is less? Obviously the minus symbol. Okay, the integer with minus number sign will have the less value, correct? So minus 2 is less here. So temperature of Srinagar and Shimla, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar, they are asking. So we have to tell no, because this has become higher now, it is not less, this has become greater. Okay, so you have to write no. No, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. For first case you have to tell that it is less. For the second case it is not less. Okay, I hope you have understood this first sum.
Thank you. Keep watching. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of the upcoming videos.